Biden and Mexican president agreed to work on addressing root causes of regional migration. Border trade market at Gabit Ramadan crossing point on Pak-Iran border established. In Iraq, 5 Daesh militants have been killed and 9 others were arrested during clashes with security forces in Babil province. The United States Special Representative for Afghanistan Zalmay urges Afghan parties to end violence. In India, farmers observing Sharadahan Jali Divas in tribute to those who died during protest. In Afghanistan, at least 9 people have been killed in an explosion in Kabul. In Bangladesh, at least 12 people were killed when a train plugged into a bus at a railway crossing in a Joypurhat district. Pakistan summons India diplomat to log protest over ceasefire violations.